Start. Appellant and respondent were working together in a private company. Stop. The respondent, who was working as a personal officer of the company, was a married person having two children, and the appellant, aged 33 years, was unmarried. Stop. Constant contacts between them developed intimacy, and in the year 1992, appellant left the job for the above mentioned company and started living with the respondent in a shared household. Stop. Appellant family members, including her father, brother, and sister, and also the wife of the respondent, opposed that live-in relationship. Stop. She has also maintained the stand that the respondent in fact started a business in her name and that they were earning from that business. Stop. After some time, the respondent shifted the business to his residence and continued the business with the help of his son, thereby depriving her right of working and earning. Stop. Appellant has also stated that both of them lived together in a shared household. Stop. Further, it was also stated that the respondent took a sum of rupees 1 lakh from the appellant, stating that he would buy a land in her name, but the same was not done. Stop. Respondent also took money from the appellant to start a beauty parlor for his wife. Stop. Appellant also alleged that during the year 2006, respondent took a loan of rupees 2.50 lakh from her hand had not returned. Stop. Further, it was also stated that the respondent all along was harassing the appellant by not exposing her as his wife publicly or permitting to suffix his name after the name of the appellant. Stop. Appellant also alleged that the respondent never used to take her anywhere, either to the houses of relatives or friends or functions. Stop. Appellant also alleged that the respondent never used to accompany her to the hospital or make joint bank account, execute documents, etc. Stop. Respondent family constantly opposed their live-in relationship and ultimately forced him to leave the company of the appellant, and it was alleged that the left the company of the appellant without maintaining her para. Appellant then preferred criminal miscellaneous number 692 of 2007 under section 12 of the DV Act before the Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate, Bangalore, seeking the following reliefs. Stop. Pass a protection order under section 18 of the DV Act prohibiting the respondent from committing any act of domestic violence against the appellant and her relatives, and further prohibiting the respondent from alienating the assets, both movable and immovable properties owned by the respondent. Para. In his testimony, Parveen Kumar Chavda, within bracket PW2, brother of the deceased, had deposed that his sister used to complain that the appellant herein and the other co-accused used to harass her for bringing insufficient dowry over.